Hi. I am here again in front of you. It's good to see you again. I don't see you, you see me, but it's good for you to see me again. Doesn't make any sense, but yeah. So the point of this video is basically, as you can see here, I'm using this Fujifilm X-T3 and I'm using it with this cage, which is LB X-T3. I don't exactly know, it's not a brand name or anything, it's just purchased it on Amazon. So I don't exactly, I'll try and find the link and put it below. And I have no affiliate links or anything like that, so you can, whatever you purchase, it's up to you. I'm trying to use this camera with the cage, plug in the microphone, and when I try to put in this friction arm that would basically hold my cell phone as my monitor, I was encountering this problem where trying to screw on the friction arm to the cage, the little flap door that would cover the ports, the USB and the headphones and the HDMI. This little door would be in the way of the screw that would attach to the cage from the friction arm. So what Fuji blessed us with, I can say this is an amazing move. I haven't seen this in any tutorial so far. I'm sure it's covered in a lot of places and all that, and I've read a few and I've watched a few tutorials on this camera, on this specific camera, but I haven't seen it. This little door, as you can see in this B-roll, let's call it that. As you can see, this little door comes off. That it has this little hinge, or I don't exactly know. It's like a springed button that you can pull, and then it comes off. And this is, wow, when I've seen that, I was wondering, can it come off? Because I've used the Canon cameras before and they had like this little thing that would let me take off the door. So I can use like a vertical grip or like a dummy battery that stays plugged into the wall. And you can have power, unlimited power or whatnot. So regardless, I'm super happy that this is possible. And now I can basically have my friction arm mounted and I can use my phone as my monitor in a compact package, if you want to call it that. I mean, it's not. I'll take a photo with my other camera of this whole setup and I'll show you how it looks. But I'm very happy with what's going on here. And finally, I have a camera that can actually autofocus and track my face. I have a variable ND filter on the camera, on the lens. It's the kit lens, it's the 18 to 55, yeah. So it's a crop sensor, so it's like a 24 to 70-ish full frame. Regardless, I'm sure you guys, if you're interested in the camera and the specs and all that, there's a million other videos and websites explaining that. Yeah, I was making a little bit of fun of the fact that many YouTubers wear their sunglasses when they film inside, and that was, well, why is he doing that? You know, well, I mean, what's the reason? And I do kind of get it now. These very bright lights, they blind you, and oh boy, yeah. So you know, it's really comfortable wearing sunglasses in situations like that. Thank you for watching. Here's my second video. And we are at the subscriber number. Let me refresh this because I'm working on it. I'm keeping this up. I'm trying to keep my promise. Yeah, we are 220 and then 4. And today is the 8th. Until the 13th, I said I'm gonna do my best to try and reach 1,000 subscribers, at least. By doing my best, I have a few projects to do at home. Yeah, I'm here dedicating all my time to videos and to improve my filming, I mean, I know it's not like a crazy filming situation going on here, because it's basically I stay in front of the camera and I have a conversation by myself. I hope you find it at least informative. I have a tendency to chase the wild goose. My thoughts are jumping all over the place, so yeah, if you have any suggestions on how to deal with that or how to get a better grasp on the storyline of these videos that I'm trying to come up with, it would be great. So let me know in the belows and or above, so whatnot. I don't know what they're gonna come up with. So thank you for watching, and I won't see you next time. You'll see me next time, and next time it's gonna be soon enough. As in, I don't know if I'm gonna put that one every day or every other day, but I'm gonna do my best. Okay. See ya. No, I won't. You'll see me.